Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA net paper first. Here I have included most expected multiple choice questions on people, development and environment. This is part 21. Now come to the question number 1. The new alluvial deposits found in the Gangetic plain are known as A. Bhabar, B. Bhangar, C. Khadar, D. Tarai. Correct option is C. Khadar. 2. Which water body separates Australia from New Zealand? That is, correct option is here B. Tasman Sea. Not McMurdo Sound, Great Barrier Reef or Cook Straits. It's B. Tasman Sea. 3. Which of the following districts is on the international border of India? अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, so not Gorakhpur, not West Kasi Hills, not Kullu, it is Kinnaur. 4th, which one of the following is not the vegetation in selva forests? If you compare, so you will find B to be correct. Xerophytes. These are not the vegetation in selva forest, whereas hydrophytes, lina and epiphytes they are found. 5. How far the axis of Earth is inclined of its orbital surface? So ये कई जगह पीछे क्वेश्चंस में आए हुए हैं. That is 23 degree. So correct option is A. Question number 6. Which of the following is only star? So आप compare करें. Not A, not B, not C. It is D, the sun. 7. Israel has common borders with. आपको इसके लिए मैप की भी थोड़ी जानकारी होनी चाहिए अगर आप ध्यान से देखें. So neighboring countries are basically Lebanon, Syria, Jordan and Egypt. 8. Which one of the following languages has largest number of speakers in the world? अगर आप कंपेयर करें, not French, it is the Bengali. Basically Bengali is the correct answer, not Portuguese. It is around more than 268 million people speak Bengali and Portuguese around 234 million as per one data. So correct option is Bengali. 9. Where was electricity introduced in India? Somewhere in 1898 it was started at Darjeeling, so it is B. 10. The capital of Laos is Vientiane. Correct option is A. 11. Which strait separates India from Sri Lanka? That is Pak. 12. Which of the following is the largest island? Sumatra, Madagascar, Honshu or Cuba? This is Madagascar. 13. Radcliffe line is a boundary line between किन दो देशों में? इंडिया या बांग्लादेश, इंडिया एंड भूटान, इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान और इंडिया एंड चाइना. So this is Radcliffe line is in between India and Pakistan. मैकमोहन लाइन इंडिया और चाइना के बीच में होती है. 14. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, so पन्ना डायमंड, नेवेली लिग्नाइट, सांबर सॉल्ट, बट मैसूर मार्बल ये सही पेयर नहीं है. 15. What is the primitive community of Bushman like Kalahari Desert? Correct option is C. 16. Difference of longitudinal of two places on the earth is 15 degree. What will be the difference in its local time? If it's 15 degree, so obviously it is 1 hour. Correct option is B. 17. Among the following cities, which one is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? ये क्वेश्चन कई बार repeatedly आया है. So here correct option is B. Kolkata. 18. In what regions can the sun be seen at midnight? Correct option is C. The Arctic and Antarctic regions. 19. Which among the following planets intersects the orbit of Neptune? So here correct option is B, Pluto. 20. Which of the following countries is called country of white elephants? एक काफी known question है, that is Thailand. So correct option is A. 20. Where is the famous Soul temple located? So it is not Puri, Visakhapatnam no, Chennai no. It is C, Mamallapuram is the correct answer. 22. The area covered by forest in India is about 0.23%. Correct option is C. 23. Jog waterfall, the highest waterfall in India, is located in Karnataka. Correct option is B. The first man to reach the South Pole on December 14, 1911, that was Ronald Amundsen from Norway. Correct option is B. 25. Freely suspended magnetic needle stands in which direction? North-south direction. Correct option is B. 26. The biochemical process taking place in the body is known as A, catabolism, B, metabolism, C, anabolism, D, none. Here correct option is B, metabolism. 27. World's first man in space, it was Yuri Gagarin. Correct option is B. 20. The area covered by forest in India is about, here correct option is D, though this is repeated question, 21.67%. 29. Ozone layer depletion is mainly due to CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. Correct option is A. 30. Which of the following is long-term effect of flooding? A, increase in corruption, B, destruction of wildlife habitat, C, sediment deposition, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.